Hello, Dan Nadolkowski here from howtomechatronics.com. In this video we will learn how to make this Arduino security and alarm system, and here's how it works. The alarm activates in 10 seconds after pressing the A button. For detecting objects it uses an ultrasonic sensor, and once the alarm detects something, a buzzer starts emitting a sound. In order to stop the alarm we need to insert a 4-digit password. The preset password is 1234, but we also have the possibility to change it. By pressing the B button, we enter the password change menu, where first we need to enter the current password in order to continue, and then enter the new 4 digits password. Once the password is changed, the next time we activate the alarm, we will only be able to stop the alarm by entering the new password. If we enter a wrong password, we will get a message that we need to try again. Now let's see the required components for this project. Obviously we need an Arduino board, an ultrasonic sensor, LCD display, a buzzer and a 4x4 keypad. Here's the circuit schematic. So for the buzzer we just need a single pin, but one with PWM support. The 4x4 keypad has 8 pins, 4 of them are for the rows and 4 of them are for the columns of the keypad. Each button is actually a push button switch, which makes a short between one row and a column when pressed. So for example, if we set the row 1 line low and all columns line high, when we will press, for example, the button 3, due to the short between the two lines, the column 3 line will drop to low, so in such a case we can register that the button 3 has been pressed. As for the two other components on this project, the ultrasonic sensor and the LCD display, you can check my previous detailed tutorials on how to connect and use them. Next, let's see the Arduino code. So first we need to include the standard liquid crystal library for the LCD and the keypad library, which needs to be additionally installed. Then we need to define the buzzer and the ultrasonic sensor pins, define some variables needed for the program, define the keys of the keypad, as well as create the two objects for the keypad and the LCD. In the setup section we just need to initialize the LCD and define the pin modes for the buzzer and the ultrasonic sensor. In the loop section, first we check whether the alarm is activated or not. So if the alarm is not activated, on the LCD we will have the home screen of the program, which offers two options: A for activating the alarm and B for changing the password. Then using the myKeypad.getKey function we read which button from the keypad has been pressed, and if that's the button A, the buzzer will produce a 200 millisecond sound and the activate alarm variable will become true. In that case, on the LCD we will print the message alarm will be activated in, and using the while loop we will make a countdown of 9 seconds before the alarm is activated. Then the message alarm activated will appear, and we will measure the initial distance from our alarm device to the objects opposite of it. So the next step is that the ultrasonic sensor will constantly check whether the currently measured distance is smaller than the initial distance, corrected by a value of 10 centimeters, and if that's true, it means that an object has appeared in front of the sensor and the alarm will be activated. The tone function will activate the buzzer and the enter password custom function will be called. This custom function will print a message that the alarm is activated and that we need to enter a password in order to stop the alarm. So using the next while loop we are constantly checking whether we have pressed a button on the keypad, and each button pressed is added to the temporary password variable. If we enter more than 4 digits or we press the sharp button, the previously entered digits will be cleared so we can type them again from beginning. On the other hand, if we press the asterisk button, we will check whether the currently entered password is the same as the originally set password. If that's true, the alarm will be deactivated, the buzzer will stop producing a sound, and we will get back to the home screen. But if the entered password was wrong, the message "wrong, try again" will appear, and we will have to try to enter the correct password again. For changing the password, we use a similar method. Here, first we need to enter the current password in order to be able to set a new password. So, just like I said, we are using the same method as the one explained for entering the password for deactivating the alarm. Of course, you can find and take a closer look at this code on my official website article. For finishing the project, I used a plastic electrical box in which I fitted all the components and connected them together. That's all, thanks for watching, and for more tutorials and projects, visit my official website howtomechatronics.com.